Solvere offers complete turnkey automation systems, utilizing the latest hardware and software from Allen Bradley. We create the electrical drawings, design the control panel, and create the PLC and HMI programs. This control panel utilizes the Panel View Plus 6 touchscreen. Our graphic design helps improve productivity and operator efficiency by providing a visualization solution to monitor, control, and display your control system parameters. Solvere designs and builds control panels using the Allen Bradley GuardLogix controller. Safety control and standard control are integrated into one controller that helps to ensure seal-free safety control. We can provide the standard programming as well as safety programming that your process requires. This control panel utilizes Allen Bradley Point I/O. The Point I/O communicates to the GuardLogix controller via Ethernet. Standard I/O is used side by side with Guard I/O for safety devices. Allen Bradley PowerFlex 525 AC drives are used to control motor speeds and communicate to the GuardLogix controller via Ethernet. Controlling motors with PowerFlex AC drives can reduce energy use and mechanical wear and tear. These drives use safe torque off as part of the overall safety system. Allen Bradley Kinetics 350 servo drives are used for positioning and also communicate with the GuardLogix controller via Ethernet. A Stratix 8000 managed Ethernet switch provides the Ethernet connectivity required between the devices in the control panel as well as secure integration with the enterprise network. An Allen Bradley 1606 power supply supplies 24 volts DC to the control panel. Other components include a 1494 fusible disconnect switch, 140M motor protectors, and 855 stack lights. We provide devices to assist personnel with troubleshooting and diagnostics that allow the technician to keep the control panel door closed, ensuring protection against arc flash. These devices include RJ45 Ethernet programming port, 3-phase flashing power alert, and laptop shelf. Solvere's Allen Bradley control panels will exceed your expectations.